Hello, in this video we'll be comparing two different chargers for your REALME GT 2 Pro. We'll be checking out the specifications and how they perform while charging your device. And for that we'll be using this smart socket GoSund, which will tell us the detailed specification when they are being charged. So this right here is some basic cheap charger, and this right here is the default charger that comes with your phone in the box. So let's start with actually the cheap one, this one right here. We'll need to plug it in right with our GoSund the socket, and then plug it into the power source. After that we can get the USB cable and connect it with our phone. So it starts charging now. It's at 50%. We can go for electric, and here after a bit of waiting we'll see the performance. Here it is. Now let's take the screenshot of that. Okay, so that was the screenshot, and now let's move to the default charger. Refresh the app and we'll see the performance. Now we can see the performance. Let's take the screenshot. And after these two screenshots we can compare them. So let me open it. So here's the first one, and then this one is a default charger that comes with a box. You can see that the milliamperes is 169. The current power is 40.5 and the voltage is 239.4, when kilowatts per hour is 66.05. so this two didn't change. This one actually changed to 238.6. the current volts 11.1 and the milliampere hours is 46, and here it's 169. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.